What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning and welcome to this new video on Jasmy. I think it speaks for itself that we're doing an update on this right now. Yesterday received some bad news, or I think it's a little bit of an overreaction, this move, but that's perhaps just me. But yeah, Jasmy got listed in the innovation zone for Binance, which is a little bit of a downgrade because the innovation zone is usually for new cryptos and small cryptos that are high risk and high reward, you know what I mean? Which Jasmy, I thought it would have solidified its place as, well, a solid project by now. But in the eyes of Binance, not, and they must have their reasons. I mean, it's always good to recognize both sides in something, in an incident like this. And on the one hand, I mean, I've been following Jasmy for 1.5 years now. I mean, I still, right now, if you take a look at their Twitter, for example, you can see that they've been pretty active after the announcement of Binance. They recognize that a Binance delisting would be disastrous. It would really be. If you like the project or not, what Binance is right now for crypto is just too much. So yeah, they did a lot of things here on Medium, for example. They did. But Jasmy was never that active. I mean, if you take a look at right now at their Medium, what you'll see is that, yeah, sure, you got on February the 22nd, you got that roadmap, but that roadmap was the first, like the first big thing in a while. If you scroll back a little bit, you already are back at beginning of September 2022. And the same on their Twitter. I still remember that you barely got any updates from Jasmy. So there is some reasoning coming from Binance, which I understand. But in this video, we'll talk a little bit about what that means, what I think is going to happen, and also the technicals. I've been rambling for way too long already. If you want to receive daily trading signals, check out the links down in the description. We also trade Jasmy. Check that out. But now on to Jasmy. So I actually, like I said, I actually do think Jasmy is a solid project. All right, don't get me wrong. The thing though is that right now they really have to prove that to Binance. And if they do, there could also be some positive things coming from this. If Jasmy gets out of the innovation zone and doesn't get delisted or gets listed again, we will rally. We will rally just as hard, or perhaps not just as hard as that we fell, but we will rally, all right? We will break above 0.6 cents right here, and we will get back up to 0.66 and 0.65 easily. Right now, though, they will probably not do that soon, right? I mean, they won't put it back into the normal crypto pairs next week. So for right now, what I expect from Jasmy, and that would be purely because of Jasmy's nature, is that I do actually think right now we had this massive bearish breakout through 0.57 and 0.6 cents, I'm going to call it, or dollars, whatever you want to say it, pennies. I think we're going to be testing that, but unless we are able to break above 0.6, I think we're going to drop down lower. Right now we found support at this minor kind of level around 5.2. I think it's more likely, even though I haven't put it on the chart, but I think it's more likely that we'll drop down to this level right here around 0.5. That's what I expect. Like I said, I do expect us to kind of test that level around 0.58, 0.59 up here. But from there, unless we get a lot of bullish momentum coming from Bitcoin or something, which is also, it doesn't seem like that's coming for now. Unless we get that, we're not going to break above that, and we're going to drop down to that level around 0.5 and perhaps spike down towards 0.48. But I think in general we'll hold that, consolidate there, and then from there we'll just follow the market. All right, so if Bitcoin can actually stabilize, then we can start some sort of an uptrend from here, I think, or at least consolidate between 0.6 and 0.5. But if Bitcoin keeps falling, Jasmy will probably start to fall as well, back to levels we have already seen in the past as well. So yeah, that's my take on Jasmy for today. I will keep you updated on the news and the technicals, but for now, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.